Make ready. 1, 2. Click.
Click.
I heard 4 clicks. Would you all like to be in the Army? Click.
Click.
Step forward, son. Bring it up to the left side of your face. Present. Step back on your right foot. Aim down range. Gun should be into your right shoulder. That would be the shoulder opposite of what you're using now. Fire! It went. If it's a part of you, the gun goes boom. Nothing else. Fire! When I say boom, when in that sentence did become okay? Fire! Good. Keep the weapon pointed and tell you to move. All right. From here, come to the recover position, and I back up the shoulder. On your left shoulder. Very good. Now, company, when I say charge bayonets, you will do as follows. Do not move. You're watching me at the moment. Grab the gun underneath the trigger guard. Drop by your right side. Keep your feet still. Yell huzzah. Is that understood, company?
Yes, Sergeant.
Was it also understood that you weren't supposed to move yet?
Yes, Sergeant.
Good. Company, charge your bayonet.
Huzzah!
The Army has a word for that. It's called pathetic. Back up your shoulder. Try it again. Back up. Come on. Now, the idea of yelling huzzah is supposed to be loud so they can know you're here. Not huzzah. Secondly, when I say charge bayonets, all of you are supposed to drop the weapon at the same time. Not this wave-like motion. Try it again. Company, charge your bayonets.
Yes.
Huzzah!
A little bit better. Now straighten your feet. I didn't tell you take a step. Get back. Keep the guns pointed. Alright, now, the gun's pointed like this. When I say push bayonets, you will step forward with your left foot. Shove the weapon. Yell this out again and stay there till I say recover, in which case you will come back. Understood, company?
Yes, Sergeant. Yes, Sergeant.
Company, push your bayonet.
Huzzah!
Weak. Recover. Recover. Straight line. Push your bayonet. A little stronger. I didn't say recover. Get back out there. Recover. Keep your guns pointed. You have to stab in the air. Push your bayonet. Just a simple step forward, son, not hopping. That's not necessary. Recover. Push your bayonet. Recover. Okay. Not too bad. Shoulder.